Watching coverage you can count on. This is News Channel 15's Nightcast.
We continue our coverage tonight of a major investment in our area. Multiple sources tell us IU Health is coming to Fort Wayne. Good evening, I'm Heather Herron.
And I'm Brett Thomas. An announcement about the plans could come as early as this week. And News Channel 15's Kelly Roberts learned if the market could support a third hospital network. So Kelly, what do you think? What'd you learn?
Well, guys, it is possible, but the competition is even tighter with the same amount of patients. But with a third hospital, the ball would be in the patient's court.
I think they see a weakness.
Is a major hospital network ready to jump into a market with major changes on the horizon? Sources say yes. IU Health is planning to build a facility in Fort Wayne.
We had heard both, that they were at least contemplating entering the market and opening a hospital. There were other ideas thrown around that maybe they could acquire somebody else's facility, something like that. But they were definitely taking a look at getting into Fort Wayne.
It's been a changing year in the Fort Wayne healthcare market, the market that employs the most people in Allen County. Some of this David Welch with Bloomberg News has written extensively about. Everyone is expanding. Parkview is adding 300 jobs, and construction on a new cancer facility is underway. In May, Lutheran Health Network's parent company, Community Health Systems, announced it would reinvest $500 million in Lutheran. And last month, it announced it would build a new downtown hospital. But Welch says IU Health may see Lutheran as a weakness.
They see a hospital system that's been in trouble. The doctors wanted to buy it out. There have been reports about the financials getting worse, about revenue being down. Usually revenue being down means patient flow is down. They've probably read reports about some of the employers, big employers, considering moving their health plans to Parkview, and they probably think, hey, here's a chance for us to get in and offer them another alternative.
A weakness or not, 3 networks will be working hard to attract Fort Wayne consumers.
In terms of pricing, competition is usually good. If you have 3 major players in there and they're all trying to get patients to come in, maybe they start cutting better deals.
Sources tell us former Lutheran CEO Brian Bauer is working with IU Health on this project. Bauer was fired in June after an attempted buyout by physicians was rejected. Live in the newsroom, Kelly Roberts, News Channel 15.